Walk to the phone booth. Open the door of the phone booth. Close the door behind you. Open the phone book. You're looking for a phone number. Ah, yes. There it is. Take a phone card out of your pocket. Insert the card into the machine. Dial the phone number. Aha! You hear a sound. Say hello.
Hello.
Ask who's there.
Who's there?
You hear nothing. You shake the receiver. Listen again. Still nothing. You're very disappointed. Hang the receiver back into place. Take out your phone card. Leave the phone booth.